Hello everybody, let's unbox the Mi A1. This phone has got a 4GB RAM, a 64GB ROM, and it is expandable up to 128GB. This phone is really good, I think, and let's open it. I'll remove the cover and let's cut the seal. Wow, that's a cute, nice phone there. And this is Mi A1, and it has got a 5.5-inch Full HD display and 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and the ROM is expandable up to 128GB. Let's see what's in the box. Inside the box, we get a handset, charger, data cable, and a tray pin, and a screen guard, of course. It's really awesome. And the display features is really nice. It has got a 5.5-inch screen that's 1920 by 1080 pixel. That is Full HD, Adreno 506 graphics card, and an IPS display. And it has got a metal body, and it's really awesome. It has got a processor which is it has a clock speed of 2 GHz. Now let's start the phone. I'm so curious about that. Let's see. Wow, the phone is based on Android One OS, and really great. And it has got a 4GB RAM, as I told earlier, and 3000 mAh lithium polymer battery, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 64-bit octa-core 2 GHz processor, Android Nougat 7.1.2. The phone is available with Android Oreo also. This phone works really fast, and the camera is also very great, and it can shoot the depth of field very clearly. At this price range, this phone does a really good job. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe us for more videos.